All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Nissan Maxima. It is the SV model. This beautiful burgundy with black interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, fog lights, navigation system. Super nice. Only 6,000 miles on this vehicle. Best of all, minimum damage. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks very nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread here is over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty darn nice. Yes, it does. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing on this one either. And your tire thread is over 730 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat, as you can see. Jump in here. Turn it on. It's a push start system. It does come with the one key fob combo and owner's manual. Let's check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. Got your, obviously, your Navi system right here. Got your backup camera. Boom. Got your AC controls right down below. See if that's blowing out cold air. Yes, it is. Got your steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. So you got one light on for your airbag and your mileage of... Seen 9,000. Did I say 6,000? I meant 9,147. All right, need some gas, which I'll put on. That's about it. Got your Navi system. Got your sport mode and all that other good stuff right there. That's about it, folks. Open up the trunk. Boom. Get it moving. This is what your rear passenger seat looks like. No holes, no tears, or rips. Does have an armrest or cup holders. Coming around, rear bumper looks pretty decent. Your rear trunk looks good. Rear trunk space, pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools and such. Boom. Check out pictures for more details. This quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing on that one. Rear passenger rim, I'm sorry. Tire thread is at 930 seconds or over 7. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear AC vents back here. This door looks good. Front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. There's a powered seat as well. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing on this one. Actually, I do. 3, 6, about 6 inches right there. Any tire thread is over 730 seconds. Lights are working. Car is on. Folks, once again, a 2017 Nissan Maxima SV model with 9,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, and happy bidding.